Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile. So in this video I'm going to show you a really fun, well it's not really fun, it's more practical and very handy. There's nothing worse than being outside on a sunny day and you can't see your phone. You have your brightness up as far as it can possibly go, but you still cannot see your phone. Now we all love sunshine, it makes us happy inside. But for some bizarre reason it blinds us from phone screens. Everything on the planet gets brighter except for phone screens. And I don't know why it does. Do you know what? New video idea. What is the deal with the sun? I'm going to show you how you can make your screen appear brighter than the brightest it can be. Bear with me. Now as you can see, I have my phone up as bright as it could possibly go. I'm using a Samsung S21 Ultra here, by the way, but this should work on any modern Samsung device. And then all you need to do is go into General Settings, scroll down to Accessibility. You should have the ability to access that. Slap your finger down on Visibility Enhancement, funnily enough, and then tap Color Adjustment, and then scroll down to this bar at the bottom that says Intensity. Now as you can see, my brightness is still fully up. Now if I lift this bar, you will see that the brightness will increase. See? Told you. Now you can send a text on the sun. I don't recommend you go to the sun. Burny, sweaty place. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below if you've got something to say. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. God, this just falls out of my face nowadays. I'm so used to this. You are missing out if you haven't, or are not, or don't. If you don't subscribe, then well, hell mend you. I think I'm done. See you next time.